How to use hotkeys in OBS Studio. So hello guys, if you have been wondering about how you can easily use the hotkeys shortcut to create a shortcut in your OBS Studio application, then you are in the right video. So first thing first, simply head over to your OBS Studio, and once you're inside here, simply select the settings option on the right bottom corner. And once you are in this page, what I want you to do is simply click on this hotkeys button over here, and from over here you can see there are a lot of options. For example, I have set my P for the pause recording, and again P to unpause the recording as well. And from over here you can simply use any of the keywords for your particular function, like start recording or stop recording or pause recording or start streaming, like this. So that is how you can easily set up your hotkeys, use your hotkeys to create a shortcut on your OBS Studio. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.